Cooling tower and evaporative cooling installation tutorial. Tool preparation. User supplied 4 slings, 4 rings, 2 poles, 4 Phillips screwdrivers, 4 step ladders, crane, several safety ropes, wrench. Manufacturer supplied butyl rubber, bolt and nuts. Choose a suitable crane according to the weight of the equipment and the location. The length of the strut is the same as the width of the equipment. A suitable support tube can be selected according to the maximum weight. Phillips screwdriver diameter 8 mm. Foundation leveling. The foundation is leveled using a spirit level or a horizontal pipe. The level difference within 1 meter of the foundation is not greater than 5 mm. The overall level is not bigger than 1 centimeter. Then clean up the foundation. Prepare transport vehicles and cranes for hoisting. The first step, hoisting the lower body. 1. Hoisting the lower body. Use straps and rings to connect the lower body to the crane hook. Place the lower body on top of the leveled foundation. Level the base of the lower body again and adjust the position of the lower body of the equipment. Adjust the base plate height with iron plate. Finally, connect the lower body with the foundation and fix it firmly. 2. Paste butyl rubber. Apply 2 layers of butyl rubber evenly and continuously on the upper surface of the belt above the lower body. When pasting, it is biased toward the inside of the device. Be careful not to break. After the pasting is complete, peel off the white spacer paper above. 3. Pad rubber gasket. Place the rubber gasket over the flange at the sprinkler pipe connection. The hoisting of the lower body is completed. The second step, hoisting the upper body. 1. Fan installation. Hoist the fan above the upper body, align the marks on the fan cylinder and the fan plate and connect them with bolts. 2. Hoisting the upper body. Use slings and rings to connect the lifting nose of the upper body to the cream hook. Lift until the sling is slightly taut. Place the pole above the body to support the 2 slings. Determine the orientation of the body according to the position of the ladder and the spray pipe. Lift the upper body and move to the top of the lower body, waiting for connection at a height of about 10 centimeters from the lower body. The third step, connect the upper and lower body. 1 person on each equipment corner. Use a screwdriver to go through the belt screw holes to position the upper and lower cabinets. The upper body falls on the lower body accurately. Pay attention that the side without the spray pump falls first to prevent the flange from colliding. Connect the flange to the upper and lower bodies with bolts. The fourth step, guardrail installation. Use the ladder to climb to the top of the device. Use a crane to hoist the guardrails above the equipment one by one. Insert the guardrail according to the drawing. Use guardrail connectors to connect guardrails as a whole. The fifth step, lighter installation. Lift the squirrel cage up. Insert the upper part into the ladder fixing seat and fix the lower part in the groove of the boxboard. Use connectors to connect the ladder to the guardrail. Finally, clean up the equipment, connect pipes and power supplies. Fill the spray tank with water and the equipment can be turned on and used.